And remember, I am reviving this synthetic hair weave. It's different from human hair, washed and blow dried. Now I'm putting the curls back in. So remember, used the mousse on here to give the body some mousse on there to dampen it a little bit. And remember to match the wave up with the curl in front of it so the pattern can be consistent. And also to hold the hair so that it can cool and then keep the shape. But this is synthetic, not human. So now I have the next section. I'm putting the mousse on it to help give it body so I can help it to curl. Because now this is synthetic. I know I keep saying it, but it acts differently than human hair, and you have to hold it to let it cool a little bit because it's like plastic. It's not real hair, and it is so the curl can set, or the wave might just fall out. 'Cause remember, I revived it and I blow dried it, so therefore it pulled the other curls out. So now I'm going to have to um, hold it once I put the heat in there. Hold it so that it can cool a little bit and the curl can set. So, and also match the curls up with the wave next to it in front of it or above it. Match the waves up. Yes, see how I matched the curl, how the bend right here? It's like the same bend that's in front of it. Okay, so keep the curl pattern. Okay, you see how I hold it to keep the pattern shaped until it cooled a little bit because, it's like plastic, you have to cool and mold into the shape because I did blow it straight. So it's not going to be exactly the way it's going to be when you first bought it, but this is reviving it so if you want to, wear your hair again. Okay, so I'm just waving it and putting the curls back in the hair. Okay, now I've got to the end of it and I hold it in so it can stay curved because as it cools, so I'm putting the wave back. This is not the first time I redid this weave, so it's not going to be as settled as when I first got it. So I'm just trying to restore it because I had blow dried all the curls out of it, and most of the time you can put water on it and it'll recurl. So this wig is synthetic, so I have to redo it. But see, since it is synthetic, you have to hold it once it's hot so it can cool, so that the curls can stay. Because if not, it'll come right out because it's not human hair. Hair wig is a synthetic, as I said again. See how I hold it? And then the pattern stayed because now it's cool. Remember to match the waves up with the hair in front of it. So I'm going to just go ahead and wave the other pattern of the hair to match this pattern. Okay, I just kind of combed it out a little bit so you can see the pattern of the wave. So I'm putting it back in there, and it's beginning to work. It's synthetic, so the curls is coming back. Now I can wear the wig again. So I'm continuing to curl it all the way around. So this is the pattern back in the synthetic wig after I washed it, blow dried it, and re-curled it. Okay, so the curls are coming back.